All right, well, today we are in beautiful, only slightly rainy Sitka, Alaska, and we have someone who just sort of appeared miraculously and will be coming along with us on this hike today. His name is Tuck Dog. What's up, buddy? You want to hike Gavan Hill Trail to Harbor Mountain Shelter and beyond? Yeah, you do. Let's go do it, buddy. So the first thing I like to do is bail out of the roundabout onto Lake Street, and then I turn right onto Arrowhead, left onto Monastery, take right on Bristovia, a left on Fearson, and then I follow Fearson all the way to the gravel parking lot. Come on, bud. And we jump on the Sitka Cross Trail, make a left at the first intersection, right at the second intersection, and then after a short little hike, we wind up right here at the Harbor Mountain / Gavan Hill Trail. We're gonna head to at least the shelter, which is 3 miles. This hike is just so much richer when you have a dog friend to go with. Isn't that right, bud? Isn't that right, Tucker? We have a sweet little lookout here. Allows you to see how far you've come. What happened to those feet, bud? How'd those feet get so muddy? Okay. Whew. I think we have reached the ridge. So it is raining, as was forecasted. Something to know about Sitka is that we are in a temperate rainforest and it rains often. The angels are crying sideways. And it looks like we have arrived at the Alpine Hut. Behind this cabin is a ridge that leads to a steep peak, which I'd like to get to the top of today. But first, let's fire up some warm coffee. And then you suddenly realize that you cannot make your warm cup of coffee, and you cannot pour this sweetness into it because instead of bringing the pot, all you brought was the case. But what we didn't forget is Tuck Dog, and he is much better than any warm cup of coffee, even if it has Baileys in it. So me and Tuck are gonna go chase this peak together in the rain. Tuck? Tuck? Oh, did I imagine you? Oh, that sucks. And it happens way too often. But I can still see his footprints everywhere. Tuck! Tuck Dog! Tuck! Huh. Probably just imagined him, which is only slightly disturbing, but also just kind of sad. Man, I was just having so much fun. It was going so well. Well, we're just gonna have to keep pushing on. Can't let this interfere with our objective, which is to keep walking down this ridge and chase after this summit, which we're gonna do without coffee and without our bud. All right, here we go. sure if you could see that. These look like chickens. Yeah, if I was in Anchorage, I would have said that's a ptarmigan, but I didn't know we had those out here. So what is it? If you know what that bird is, please leave a message in the comments. Oh, looks like we have a ridge in front of us. Is that it? I think that might be what we're after here. Look at these passageways. It's like the rose bush in Secret of Nim. So we are going to rush towards this summit to tag it and then get the hell out of here because it is absolutely miserable. Okay, we're on the top of, I don't even know what this is called. I don't know if it has a name. We cannot stick around to get a drone shot for obvious reasons. And I have got to get down ASAP because I'm soaking wet and you always get colder on the way down. This is why we wait for weather windows to go hiking here in Sitka, Alaska. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, dislike, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Have an awesome day.